what's happened with the development of markets is on a smartphone or a tablet or a laptop, we can in seconds buy one of thousands of companies. And there's no effort required to buy a stock, no effort required to sell a stock. But in order to do well, one really needs to understand the underlying business and to have a point of view on kind of where that is versus the market capitalization. So I'll give you an example. Many times in the US, like I'll go to my health club, for example, and one of the members will ask me, hey, Muhnish, should I buy Apple? Should I buy Apple stock? And I turn the question around to them. I say, hey, John, what's the market cap of Apple? And they look at me with a puzzled look. They said, the stock is at 170. I said, no, what is the market capitalization? And they don't know. Okay, so the first thing, if you're going to go buy some rice in the market, you're going to know what is the price per kilogram. So the first thing is that if you're going to buy a stock, at least know what you can buy the whole company for. And most investors don't have that knowledge, which is amazing. And so the first thing an investor ought to ask themselves before they buy a stock, even before we get to price and so on, is this within my circle of competence? Now, circle of competence is a very important concept, one of the most important concepts in investing.